Farmers use plastic molds to control weeds, conserve moisture, and increase crop yield and quality. Plastic mulches that are biodegradable are more desirable because they can be tilled after use, which avoids removal and disposal issues. Mulch biodegradation in the field can be accessed based on presence of visible mulch fragments, although this is not a direct measure of mulch biodegradation. Soil sampling with a golf ball cutter has been an accepted practice to estimate the amount of mulch remaining in the field. I conducted a field study to test the reliability of such soil sampling method. After collection of the soil sample, I extracted the mulch fragments by wet sieving the samples, then measured the amount of mulch. I utilized response surface design to find out the distribution of the mulch. These are the contour lines. Closer the spacing, more concentration of the mulch. So there was more mulch towards the edge of the plots compared to the center. Further, I used simulation approach to determine the number of samples to quantify the amount of mulch remaining in the field. Y-axis is the predicted total amount of mulch recovery, x-axis is the sample size. This horizontal line is the actual amount of mulch tilled into the soil. With less sample size, there was high variation, and variation decreases with increase in sample size. And at least 50 samples were needed to get a stable result. With this, the study concludes that there is a need of new method to measure the amount of mulch remaining in the soil.